We've come up here since the mid-'80s with dogs, and Dobie is the best at trail walking. He doesn't get too far ahead. He doesn't roam off the trails. Really nice to have him on the trails. He loves it. Dobie's really great on the trail because he will split the difference and keep the group together. The kids can get way far ahead of us. Dobie will stay in the middle, whining until we all get back together again. He's a great dog.
Dobie has been a very good dog today, and we got another name for him. And that name was Cousin Beagle. And there goes Cousin Beagle now.
Cousin Beagle. Cousin Beagle.
Look at him. We're coming. To make sure everybody's together.
Dobie's been a really good dog today.
He's so